Alright, Pyros, I am back. I got a firework fountain right here for y'all. This one's by World Class Fireworks. Y'all know that's a good brand. It says it's noiseless. This one's called Angel's Kiss. And it showers of sparks. It's got a nice wrap around. Let's see what this bad boy is about. Alright, let's check this bad boy out. Let's see. Where's my lighty at? Here we go. Oh, we're back, Pyros. Ooh, wow. Man, that thing's bright. Ooh, I love the smell of fireworks. It's got green, purple, and some... Oh! Ooh, it's gonna pop. Oh! Very nice. Good height to it. It's still going on. Pyros, why does it say noiseless? This pyro had all the noise. Here we go.